Hello everyone, welcome to the video demonstration of the distal aspect of the permanent maxillary first premolar. The distal aspect is basically a mirror image of the mesial aspect. The distal surface, however, is much more convex compared to that of the mesial aspect. There is no developmental depression seen on the distal side. On the mesial side, we had a prominent developmental depression called as the mesial developmental depression, which is absent on the distal side. When you keep the tooth at an angle, you will find that the distal surface is convex. This convexity is absent on the mesial side because of the presence of the mesial developmental depression. This is also called the canine fossa. When you see the cervical line from the distal aspect, it is less convergent towards the occlusal surface. In a natural tooth specimen, however, you may find the cervical line to be relatively straight as you see here. Another important finding is that there is no developmental groove crossing the distal marginal ridge. This lack of developmental groove can be a side identifying feature. The mesial marginal ridge, however, can show a mesial marginal developmental groove as you see here, which extends little into the mesial surface. This is absent on the distal side. Some specimens, however, may show a developmental groove crossing the distal marginal ridge also, as you see in this specimen, but it is shallow and less prominent. Coming on to the root, the bifurcation level from the mesial side was halfway from the cervix to the root tip. This slopes a little more towards the distal side, making the distal bifurcation little more apically placed compared to that of the mesial bifurcation. These are the basic differences that you note from the distal aspect. In the next video, we shall talk about the occlusal aspect. Thank you.